My name is Joe Smith and I am the Anglican chaplain at Cardiff University and I am studying the MA in Theology at St Paddens. I love working at the university as the Anglican chaplain there because I really feel like I get to journey with people at a very influential and impactful stage of life. One of my priorities from day one was to create an environment where people would come and feel relaxed and comfortable. Every Thursday morning we have an early morning prayer, and we just follow a very simple form of Anglican morning prayer. We drink some coffee. Sometimes we talk about the readings, but mostly people open up some of those conversations that are important both about faith, about life, and about life at university. As part of our community building endeavours, we have some storefront events that we run throughout the week. One example is every Thursday we have a free lunch. The soup lunch is a phenomenal thing really, because we got some wonderful volunteers from some of the local churches and we really value them because it means that we get to do the conversation and we get to do the listening, the more active community building. We just want people to be able to come into the space, feel comfortable to come to us as and when they need, or they would know that that community space is available for them. And the conversations that they have are so joyful. It's a wonderful thing. Within my work schedule, I am able to carve out about a day a week to commit to studying, to commit to reading and writing assignments. Studying on the MA has been really fruitful for me already. It gives me a space to really delve into my own faith, my own understanding of how my faith and the world interact with one another. And in my work, that has already been a really valuable thing. My hope and my dream for the chaplaincy at the university is it would be a place where people know that they're valued just for who they are. Being a Christian in the world today is a complex thing and there's a lot to negotiate. And we want to help people flourish in that. We want to help people be able to really step into that way of life with their eyes open.